So it's nice night time. You see, they are not sleeping. It's already night, nearly 10 p.m. 10 p.m. is huge time in Bangladesh. Like after 6 hours, it will be morning. And for having villagers area, maximum people are already on sleep. And I think these pigeons enjoy the night time because they do not sleep the full night. They quarrel, make sound, and they take foods also. They take foods, and it's a roof side. It's outside. It's night. I'm on here for taking care in those for the night time, and they are good. Let's see the close shot of them at the night time. Is the lovely pigeon. He loves me a lot. He's the most friendly pigeons of the back one. He's the most friendly pigeons, and I think only he waits for me. This one is waits for me. When I come, he comes to me close and spends sometimes on my neck. If you see my other videos, you will get the proof. And he have feathers, and his local name is Russian angel breed. And he have a small mismatch. For this reason, one of my friends gifted it to me. Okay friends, talk to you on next video. If you love my pigeons or pigeon loft, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Take care. Thanks for watching.